Hello guys! In this guide, we will tell you about a free AI Android app that allows you to create subtitles for your video in any language, including Hindi or English, in minutes. So let's start. Go to the Play Store and search for Captions AI. Install the app. After installing, open it. Register with your Google account or phone number. After registration, you will see the interface. Let's first try this app with a Hindi video. Add your video. Select your language. Let it process. As you can see, subtitles have been added. You can adjust the size of the subtitles. There are many settings available that allow you to edit, change the template, and change the design of the subtitles. You can customize these settings as per your needs. Now export the video. The video is exported.
ये एक टेस्ट के लिए फ्री सैंपल वीडियो है। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, सबटाइटल्स बन रहे हैं, आप इन्हें भी कस्टमाइज कर सकते हैं। ये फिलहाल सभी एंड्रॉइड यूजर्स के लिए बिना वाटरमार्क के फ्री है। भविष्य में यह पेड हो सकता है।
As you can see, there is no watermark and no loss in video quality. Let's try the same with an English video. Add your video. Select English as the language. Let it process. Change the settings if needed, or just export it now. Here is the final English video.
This is a 4-test free sample video. As you can, subtitles are being generated. You can customize these also. This is currently free for all Android users without watermark. It may get paid in future.
Note, this app may become paid in the future. However, at the time of creating this video, it is free, without any watermark or limits. Thanks for watching.